It's me again, Teacher Christine, and today we will learn how to read words with the sound of the consonant R blend. Are you ready, kids? Okay, let's begin. What is the name of this object? Yes, this is a grass. Gr plus a plus s becomes grass. Can you say it with me, kids? Gr a s becomes grass. Another one. What is the name of this animal? Yes, you are correct. This is a frog. Fr plus o plus g becomes frog. Can you say it with me, kids? Fr o g becomes frog. What about this one? You're right, kids. This is a brick. Br plus e plus k becomes brick. Say it with me, kids. Br e k becomes brick. Now, what is the name of this object? You're so smart, kids. Yes, this is a drum. Dr plus a plus becomes drum. Can you read it with me, kids? Dr a becomes drum. And what is the name of this one? You're right. This is a crib. Cr plus e plus b becomes crib. Read it with me, kids. Cr e b becomes crib. Now here are some examples of the words with the sound of the consonant R blend. We have press, trap, drag, crow, and crop. Great job, kids! That's all for today and see you in my next video. Bye!